Good evening, all. Today we'll discuss about AWS. Let me quickly go through the course introduction. This is purely AWS and DevOps course. It is suitable for roles like cloud architect, developer, cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure administrator. These kind of roles you can apply for after the course completion. And here I'll teach you around 20 plus AWS services as well as 10 plus DevOps tools, which includes 5 real-time projects in both AWS as well as DevOps. At the end of the course, I'll help you in resume preparation session, and mock interviews also conducted for people who are interested. And we'll give daily an assignment based on the topic whatever we discuss. And after each session, we'll share you the material like whatever the topics we are discussing and the recorded video also. So you will be having a lifetime access of this video material. And the duration of the course is 50 working days. It's almost 2.5 months around. The course duration 50 working days, which with daily 1.5 hour session. Class starts daily like 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Okay, every day evening session 9 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. around. We'll take the session, and after this you can attend for the interviews by keeping 3+ years of experience in AWS as well as DevOps. Even though you learn AWS and DevOps here for 2.5 months, that 2.5 months knowledge is equivalent to 3+ years of experience. Around 3 to 3.5 years of experience you can put. Prerequisites to learn AWS is you should be having basic computer knowledge, and you should be having operating system commands on Linux. Even if you don't know Linux, no problem. I'll teach you Linux. We'll start the course first with Linux, then we'll jump into AWS, and then we'll jump into DevOps. To learn DevOps, you should be having one of the cloud knowledge as well as Linux operating system. So these are the prerequisites to learn AWS and DevOps. You no need to have any programming knowledge background. Even if you don't know coding, even if you don't know C language, C++, Python, C Sharp, .NET, any of the programming languages like Java, no problem. Because you're not going to write any programming languages, program code here. Let's understand the difference between a physical server and a computer. A computer is basically having a configuration like 16 GB RAM, 16 cores, 1 TB storage. For this maximum configuration, they charge around, depends on brand. If it is normal Dell, Lenovo, HP, maybe 80,000, 90,000. If it is Apple, up to 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, they'll charge. Whereas a physical server is an object which looks like this. The RAM size is around 2048 GB maximum, 496 CPU cores, 64 terabytes of storage. So for this configuration, a physical server cost will be around 10 lakh rupees. So why I'm discussing about physical server and computer means, if I want to start an IT company, I need at least 100 physical servers. So I need to invest around 10 crore rupees to set up this kind of data center in my office. Okay, so to set up this kind of infrastructure in my office, I need to buy 100 physical servers. Each server cost around 10 lakh rupees. Okay, I'm investing 10 crore, fine. But not only buying for physical servers, even we need to install operating system also. What kind of operating systems can be installed here? Like for physical servers, there are different versions from Windows operating system is designed, like Windows 2012, Windows 2016. Not regular operating systems like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. You cannot install them in server. For servers, there are separate versions from Microsoft, like Windows 2012, 16, 19, 2020, 2022, 2023 versions are released. And the license of this operating system costs around 40,000 rupees per each license. Here I have 100 servers, right? So 100 servers means 100 licenses I need to purchase, means 100 into 40,000. Again, I need to invest almost 40 lakh rupees. Not only installing operating system, we need to install softwares. These also paid softwares. Then I need to take care of maintenance, because this entire setup is in my organization. I have to take care of maintenance because it is in my premises. Maintenance in the sense, If servers are running for a long time, generally it becomes heat if it is running continuously. So that's why what we do, we keep AC in server room so that these servers will be running continuously for a long time without any interruption. Okay, and obviously have to pay the electricity bills, and the time taken to set up this infrastructure will be at least 1 week. It will take around 1 week to set up this kind of infrastructure in our office premises. So in the image, whatever you're seeing, that is called server room, dedicated server room. Okay. So this kind of setup to provision in our office, it takes minimum 10 crore rupees. You need to invest minimum 10 crore rupees to set up this kind of infrastructure in our office. This setup we call as physical data center, or you can call them as on-premises servers. Why we are calling physical data center means these servers are physically located in our organization. You can access them physically, you can see them, you can access them physically, you can touch them. They're on premises because these servers are beside your premises, next to you, next to your cabin. So that's why we call them as on-premises servers. But we have few drawbacks with this kind of setup. Okay, I have a dream to start an IT company. For that, I'm investing 10 crore. I'm purchasing this entire setup. I'm buying 100 servers, installing OS, installing softwares. I'm taking care of maintenance. But the huge drawback is investment. It's not easy to invest more than 10 crore to set up this kind of infrastructure. And second drawback, maintenance. It's very risky to take care of maintenance of this infrastructure. And third drawback, and it takes more time to provision the infrastructure. So to overcome these issues, to address these issues, we have a concept called cloud computing. What is cloud computing means? So I have a requirement to start an IT company, right? So Amazon company is like very big reputed company. Amazon company CEO, what he is telling, Arvind, you want to start an IT company, right? You no need to buy servers, no need to invest 10 crore, no need to purchase licenses, purchase softwares, no need to set up the infrastructure. Why? Because from Amazon company, we already have set up data centers across the globe. In different parts of the world, we have already set up data centers, Amazon data centers. So you just let us know what kind of infrastructure you need. If you need servers, you just ask us. I will give you server. If you need RAM, if you need database, like any kind of infrastructure, whatever the infra you need, you just let us know. We will provide all the services virtually. Virtually means via internet through a platform called AWS. Through this Amazon Web Services platform, Amazon company providing all the cloud services to the users across the globe. So will they provide for free of cost means no. Why they will give for free? They will not give anything for free. They will charge you. Like for every month, they will generate the bill. Just like you will get electricity bill, right? That month you used two AC in bedrooms, fridge, washing machine. Like end of the month, you will get electricity bill around 600 or 1000 rupees. Based on your usage, you get the bill. You will pay. Next month, you went to your hometown. You are not in your home. Then why you will get 1000 rupees bill? Like basic minimum charge around 100 rupees you will get because you did not use anything. Similarly, here Amazon also, if you are using infrastructure, then they will generate the bills, whatever the services you utilized. Based on that, you need to pay the bill and you can utilize the services. Not only Amazon company, even Google company also having data centers across the globe. They also providing cloud services through a platform called GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Even Microsoft company also having data centers across worldwide. They also providing cloud services through a platform called Azure platform. Not only Amazon, Google, Microsoft, there are many vendors like IBM, Oracle. They also providing cloud services through platforms like IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and the other vendors. They are providing services through DigitalOcean Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Tencent Cloud. Many cloud services are there. But among them, the most popular cloud service is AWS Cloud. It stands in the first place. Then Azure Cloud stands at second place. Then following by Google Cloud Platform. AWS Global Infrastructure. Here is the official website from Amazon. It says Amazon company having infrastructures where all these infrastructures are set up in 34 regions. See, in this world map, in India there are two data centers set up by Amazon. One is in Hyderabad region, that is in the year 2022, which is split into three availability zones, and the other one is in Mumbai region. It has set up its data center in 2016 with three availability zones. Even in Australia also we have two data centers. One is in Sydney and the other one is Melbourne recently. Like this, in 34 regions, Amazon company has set up the data centers. So they are providing cloud services from these regions. Now, how a data center looks like. For example, AWS data center in Hyderabad. It's Amazon data center outskirts of Hyderabad. This data center has set up in 3,600 acres with a huge investment of around 20,700 crores, like 2 years back. Inside this data center, see, this is not a software company. Data center means it is a place where you can see some millions of servers inside, like this. Inside the data center, you will be seeing like some millions of servers, not software employees will work there. You will be seeing like many servers, some lakhs of servers will be there. They will not be uh, like shut down even for a nanosecond. These servers will have continuous power supply with huge generators running. What will happen if any power cut, any disinterruption? The applications which are running inside these servers will have downtime issues. So that's why they'll take care of even these servers should not be down for even a nanosecond. So like these kind of data centers, Amazon has set up across the globe in 34 regions, and few more regions data center is coming soon. Like um, these red color dots, like in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Amazon data center is coming soon. In Thailand coming soon. In Taiwan also data center, a new data center of Amazon is coming soon. Even in Germany also a data center is coming soon. Like five more regions are coming soon and already existing 34 regions. So from these locations, Amazon company is providing services all over. Nowadays, if you see like any application like Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Myntra, whatever application you see, all these applications are running in AWS, I mean cloud. That could be AWS cloud, GCP cloud, Azure cloud, Oracle cloud. But these applications are running in the cloud. Why? Because you will be getting very uh, less bills. Like you no need to purchase any infrastructure. It is just providing services. You are utilizing services. Based on the services you utilized, that vendor will charge you some amount. You have to pay that bills. I'll give you with this small example. Let's see. This person Ram, he should go to office like weekly 3 days. So he invested around 15 lakh rupees to buy one car. He is going in his car daily to office. But like if the fuel is completed in his car, who has to fill the fuel? Means obviously Ram, because he's the owner of car. If car tire puncture, who has to take care of? Ram has to take care of it. If car is not working properly, then he has to take care of this car for servicing. He has to take care of maintenance. But his friend, like Hari, he is also going to office weekly 3 days, but he don't want to invest this 15 lakh to buy the car. He don't want to waste money unnecessarily. So he want to utilize the services of some vendors in the market like Ola or Uber. So these are some vendors. They provide cab services. Who all in need, they can book the service through a platform called Ola mobile application or Uber mobile application. Through this platform, if they book any service, immediately this vendor will give the uh, cab for pickup. In this cab he'll go to office. Like while going to office, if fuel is completed, who has to fill the fuel? Obviously it's cab driver, Ola driver, but not Harry, because This car is not owning by Hari. This is a car provided by Ola Cab, Ola Service, Ola Company. Hari is just utilizing the services of Ola. Once he filled the fuel, he dropped at his office, and based on the distance he traveled, they are generating some bill like 300 rupees. Hari will pay this bill 300 rupees. That's it. There is no relation between this cab and Hari again, because he just utilized the service from Ola. He paid the bill. That's all. Whatever the services he utilized from Ola, Uber, based on that, these vendors will generate the bill. Clients has to pay the bill. That's all. But here it's not like that. Whether Ram is using the car for office, whether he's not using the car for office, but he has to pay the EMIs. He has to, because he has to pay the 15 lakhs. If it is taken in EMI, he has to pay the EMIs. If he already invested single payment 15 lakh, uh, even though he doesn't use, they will not give any refund. No, I'm not using car, please give me refund. Means no, they will not give, because he owned that car. He has to take care of maintenance. Here for Hari, no maintenance. Here, like full investment. Here, whenever he is in need, whenever there is a requirement, then only he can book the service. So here, this is like physical data center where we are owning the servers. This is like AWS cloud, like cloud computing. Whatever the services infrastructure you need, you can book, you can utilize the services from a cloud platform like AWS cloud, GCP cloud, Azure cloud, just like how we are booking the services from Ola, Uber. So till here, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll give you unmute option. Yes. No questions? Okay, fine. Then we'll continue next. We'll go through the definition of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Instead of buying physical servers, maintaining these data centers in your organization, you can access same kind of services such as servers, storage, database, RAM. These kind of services you can access on an as needed basis. Means whenever you have a need, whenever there is a requirement, you can access the services from a cloud provider like AWS platform, Amazon Web Services. Okay, so you no need to buy the infrastructure, you no need to maintain the infrastructure. Instead, just you can request the infra whatever you need, like whatever services you need, you can get the services from AWS. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources. On-demand means like I'm demanding, AWS, please give me 100 servers. Then immediately AWS will deliver those 100 servers. Your IT resources are nothing but infrastructure like servers, database, RAM, storage, whatever the infrastructure we are demanding, they will deliver these IT resources. How they will deliver physically? Means no, they will not deliver physically. Everything virtually, just like your net banking. Even though you don't go to bank, you can transfer the amount from your bank to your friend's bank, just like logging into your net banking account. You will digital transfer. You're not keeping the cash in your laptop, right? You just log into your net banking with username password, then funds transfer. That's completely like virtually earning. Same here also. Whatever the infra you need, the vendors will give you that infrastructure virtually through internet. For that you need to pay the money. This is called cloud computing. Is it clear? Cloud computing.
Yes, it's clear. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Sorry, you are saying that before we use the cloud computing, you need to pay money?
No, no, no. Based on your usage only, you need to pay the money. It's not prepaid. This is postpaid. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Next, let's say I have my own company, one software company. In my company, there are 100 physical servers. In these 100 physical servers, there is an application running inside these 100 servers, which is nothing but e-commerce website, Amazon, where you all purchase products like Flipkart, Amazon, right? So that Amazon application is running in these 100 physical servers. Normal users, what they will do from their laptop or computer, they will type www.amazon.in and they'll hit enter button. Once they hit enter button, that request will go to backend Amazon server, one of these Amazon servers, 100 servers, any one server. No, the request will not go to 100 servers. Among these 100 servers, randomly that request will go to one of those 100 servers. Then it will load the page and give the response. Finally, as a user, we can see the page, Amazon page. Not only Amazon page, anything. If you type www.facebook.com and hit enter button, that request will immediately, within milliseconds, the request will go to Facebook server and it will give you the response so that you can see that Facebook login page, registration page. So this is called one request. Am I the only one person in this world who is accessing this Amazon? Means no. Many people, lakhs of people accessing, right, this website. So on an average, this website is receiving 1 crore traffic per day. Means not only my one request, around 1 crore. Let's assume 1 crore requests are hitting to this website. These all 1 crore requests will not go to that one particular third server only. Some requests will split to first one, some requests will split to second one. That means these 100 servers will distribute the incoming traffic. Just like in a project, if there are 5 developers, manager will not give task to only one developer. He will split the task. Developer 1, you work on these 2 tickets. Developer 2, you work on these 2 tickets, so that there will not be any burden on one particular person. If everyone is doing work will be finished fast, no burden on one particular person. Here also, whatever the traffic is coming, that traffic is equally distributed among these 100 servers. Okay, that is fine. But now Amazon is planning for Great Indian Festival sale. They are planning for a big seasonal sale, like only for one day. Whoever wants to purchase any products using HDFC credit card and SBI credit card, they are giving flat 20% discount. They promoted very well from 1 month before only. Obviously, like more people will show interest to purchase the products on Great Indian Festival because of huge discounts. So normally 1 crore requests are coming right daily, every day, regularly. But on this particular Great Indian Festival, can we expect same 1 crore requests per day? Means no, obviously, because more people will show interest to buy the products, right? The day has started midnight, 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock only, almost 2 crore people, they sat in front of the systems, computers, laptops, from mobiles to access this website. Almost 2 crore people accessing the website. So what will happen? So what will happen means the burden on these service servers got somewhat doubled. If let's say previously on normal days, if each server is receiving 1 lakh requests, on this particular day, night 12 o'clock, around 2 lakh requests are distributing, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, because traffic got increased to 2 crore. So what will happen? CPU utilization will somewhat increases. Means the burden on the servers will be calculated via CPU utilization. So CPU utilization might be increased to some 40 percentage or 50 percentage on each server on an average. Again, after 2 hours, traffic increased to 5 crore. Means midnight 2 o'clock, around 5 crore people accessing the website because of very good offers. Obviously, the burden on these 100 servers will be increased because number of servers are only 100, but the traffic is increasing from 1 crore to 2 crore, 2 crore to 5 crore. What will happen? CPU utilization will reach to the maximum utilization of 100%, then servers will be crashed. If servers are crashed, users cannot see the website. See, top left side. Please go on mute.
ए बाबा बाबा नेटवर्क का दिक्कत है
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे लेके पूछते होते था
अरे वो होता ही नहीं है ना
Karthik,
सर बहुत नकली होता है
क्या बोलते था
मिस्टी से पूछो पागल से
आप के लिए दिखाओ
ठीक है
हाँ ऑर्डर करो के लिए जल्दी ऑर्डर करो मुझे के लिए ऐसे खेलना है जल्दी ऑर्डर करो
ले
प्लीज
मम्मी पास मत जाओ मम्मी मारी थी ना भी याद है
guys, who is this? Okay. Okay. So you saw right here, application is not reachable because servers got crashed, so users cannot able to access the application. Now midnight 2 o'clock, application is down. So as a as a company owner, what I can do? Midnight 2 o'clock, can I get extra 200 servers? Because the burden on these servers is increased. So can I get 100, 200 servers? Means no, it's not possible. Midnight 2 o'clock, from where you will get the servers, and for the infrastructure setup, it takes 1 week time. That means until 1 week, will you make your servers application down? Means like it will not see good because customers will lose trust on our website. What hardly we can do. Next day, employees will come and they will troubleshoot, they will kill unnecessary processes, they will remove unnecessary things and try to reduce the CPU utilization to bring back the application. But it will take around 12 hours time to bring back the application. So these 12 hours our application will be down. So if this happens, if the website is down for these many hours, people will not trust this website. So that is a drawback if you run your application in physical server. If you keep running your application in physical server, so this is a drawback. But if you keep your servers in cloud, let's say in AWS cloud I have launched 100 servers, same scenario. So I'm writing one condition. If CPU utilization is crossing 60%, I'm writing one condition. So if the CPU on all these 100 servers is crossing 60, then I'm telling to AWS please launch one additional server. So based on the condition, if the CPU is crossing 60, immediately AWS will launch one new server and it will deploy the application. So like that, it will go on launching up to 1000 servers based upon the traffic. Again, now what will happen? Instead of 100, 101 servers are working. Means these 101 servers receiving the traffic. Whatever the traffic is coming, that is distributed among 101 servers. But again, if more people are accessing the website, traffic will increase. If traffic is increasing, CPU utilization will also increase because of the burden on these 101 servers. If CPU utilization is crossing 60, again AWS has to launch one more server. Like this, servers will automatically launch to reduce the burden on the servers, existing servers. This concept, increasing the capacity of servers, we call as scaling up the servers. So that there will not be any downtime of the application. Customers will purchase the products happily. They will access the Amazon.in website without any failure. This is called scaling up. Let's say on by end of the day, around 5 crore people accessed the website, almost 500 servers launched. But next day, there is no Great Indian Festival. Then why we need to run 500 servers unnecessarily? So that's why we'll write one more condition. If CPU utilization is less than or equal to 5%, that means if there is no burden on the servers, then let's terminate that server. But I need minimum 100 servers should be running for my application. So this concept, decreasing the capacity of servers. If traffic is decreasing, if CPU is less than 5, AWS has to terminate them so that we can save money of our client, because no need to run 500 servers, right? Even if there is no traffic. So this capacity, decreasing capacity of servers, we call as scaling down. This feature is available in AWS cloud, in cloud computing, like increasing capacity of servers and decreasing capacity of servers, nothing but scalable concept. Whereas this scalable concept is not there in physical servers. Till here, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm giving unmute option. Yeah. Till here, if you have any questions, please ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
If the session is means decreasing, the Amazon will be paid less amount, or what's
Less amount. So if you are not utilizing, then they will generate the bills based on whatever you're using. That's why we are
okay.
terminating the servers right here. If there is no project in
Yeah.
why management will give the salaries, they'll tell like we don't have project. Please you can leave, right? To save the money. Here also, if there is no traffic, why to make the infrastructure running? So that's why we are terminating the servers.
Okay. Okay, sir. No.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, if we terminate that servers, it will affect in data. Whatever data are having that impact will goes to the data what we have stored.
These are like
Or
Xerox copies. These are all like Xerox copies. Here Amazon application is running. Here also Amazon application. Here Amazon. Here, everywhere Amazon application is running. Right now you don't need one or two servers because there is no people are accessing. So let them remove, terminate, no problem, because application is still running in these 100 servers, right?
yes.
Your application is running, not your data. Your data is not there here. Application servers, the website is running here. Your data will be stored in database servers. Okay.
Okay. I mean to say, we are giving 100 data. Huge data we are sending to the data center, right? There also it will not get any crash like that. Because of that, much impact is going on to that data center.
Simple example.
Okay.
YouTube is a very popular platform. All over worldwide, not only in India, worldwide. Per, per in 1 minute right now, right, what is the time? 8:42 p.m. At this moment, 8:42. Do you think how many people will access YouTube publication? Will it be in thousands or lakhs or crores?
In
In
crores.
obviously means in 1 minute, some crores of people accessing www.youtube.com, whether they are in Pakistan, USA, Australia, whatever country, but everybody is accessing same domain, same website. So whether have you seen anytime YouTube is down?
No.
Why? Because this concept, scalable concept, is there everywhere. Okay. But if you see the other side, like when you go to Me Seva Center to book to apply for a PAN card or to apply for voter ID card or for some government websites, if you visit that service center, see Me Seva Center person will tell server down. Come after sometime, server down. Have you listened this word server down from internet site?
Yes.
Right, because in earlier, in like olden days, means like 5 years back, 10 years back, even recently, like also some websites, some government websites, they are still running on physical servers. In physical servers, there is no scalable concept. If huge traffic came at a time, servers will crash. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
So
Yeah, how can we provide security to these applications, Aravind?
you no need to provide any security. AWS cloud vendor only, they are taking care of security. Simple, like in Google Drive, you people are using Google Drive, right? Or Google Photos. You are uploading your important sensitive information also in Google Drive by creating Excel sheets. Some important information also you'll upload. Whatever Excel sheet you created in uploading Google Drive, that is accessed by like that sheet you're putting in Google's data center. Are you encrypting that Excel sheet? Are you keeping any security vault log, anything? Google keeping that safe?
No, I mean, yeah, I got this.
By default, they will take care of security. Okay, we no need to explicitly. You no need to give any secure thing. We have that option also, but by default, the data will be secure. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Government company means government is not uses the AWS services. Only private companies use it.
It needs money.
Means in government side, government means that time the server is down, so they didn't use the AWS servers.
Earlier, in old websites, uh, government websites especially,
Uh,
they are not running on cloud. But now, like many government websites, they are migrating towards cloud. Recently,
uh,
uh, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam website where we book the tickets, right? TTD Darshanam tickets. Recently, last year only, they also migrated from physical servers to cloud. Earlier, if you access that website, mostly it will say down website is they are migrating slowly. Not all the websites, but these websites like which will have like Facebook, Instagram, uh, Flipkart, these Prime, Netflix, all are running on cloud.
uh.
Okay. Anything else? So here, this statistics say AWS cloud is stat in the first position with more cloud share market with 32%, Azure cloud with 22%, Google cloud with 11%, Alibaba cloud with 4%, IBM cloud 3%, like this, like many other clouds. Not only in 2023, in 2022, 21, 20, 2019, 2018, in each and every year, every quarter, AWS is standing in the first position. Obviously, AWS opportunities are more compared to other clouds. See, I'm not telling here Azure is not popular. Even Azure also became more popular in last 2 years. But still, it is in second place after AWS only. So comparatively, more opportunities for AWS. And here, if you learn AWS, you can work with Azure also. If you learn Azure, you can work with AWS also. It's just like if you know how to book a cab in Ola, definitely you can book the cab from Uber also. What is the difference? The user interface, GUI is difference. And the prices, here it will show one price for the same distance, here it may show one price. But the concept, but the service, whatever the Ola is providing, Uber is also providing same. Here the company name Ola, here company name Uber. Here the terminology, ride, ride a bike. Here like drive a bike. Some terminal words will be changed, but service will be same. Here also same thing. If you know how to deal with one cloud computing, you can work with other cloud technologies also. Okay. So this is about cloud computing. Our regular classes starts from Monday only.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
Whenever we register for Amazon, firstly we have to give the details for it, right? So the details are stored in the data centers. My question is, the details are stored in the data center or whether it is stored in something else?
Those details are stored in AWS database.
Okay, so all the data will be stored in the AWS database, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Not only AWS account, if you take Facebook, if you create a Facebook account, first you need to register your first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, everything you have registered. Then you can log into that account. With that, whatever the details you entered, you registered, those details are stored in the backend database tables of Facebook. For Facebook, there is a front-end application server, back-end database server. Inside database servers, there are many tables. In those tables, our data is stored. Yes. So,
Hello.
Tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
You are teaching only AWS or DevOps,
Both AWS as well as DevOps.
but you are not teaching in DevOps.
This is AWS demo session.
Okay, not DevOps, huh?
I only teach AWS. I only teach DevOps also. Okay.
Okay. But you don't tell DevOps. So I think.
Is there any specifics? I think demo class for these DevOps.
So
DevOps, sir?
you people are looking only for DevOps course?
No, we are
No,
looking both, but
AWS plus
you.
DevOps, sir.
Sorry
Both.
to interrupt. Yeah.
We'll do one thing. Next day, like Monday, we'll plan for DevOps session. Okay.
Because last time I also attend the class, sir, but you were just telling AWS. You don't. That's why I'm asking this.
Monday we'll discuss about DevOps also. Okay. See, generally what we do, first two sessions we take AWS. Today, whoever joined, these people are like most of the people are first time. Almost 20 plus people joined first time today. So that's the reason again I'm repeating the session. Okay.
Okay. No, sir.
Okay. So these are the timings. Evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you need morning 8 a.m. Yes.
When does the morning session start?
Morning session starts from uh, next Monday. Not this Monday, coming Monday. Oh, wait, just wait. Yeah, let me tell you clearly. Yes, evening session, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's like started only from today, Jan 3rd. From today only started from first session, okay? And even morning session will also start from today only. I assume it started from today only, but first 5 classes. You need to listen. First 5 class, whoever wants to register morning batch, listen first 5 classes this time, and from 6th class onwards means you need to listen morning. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Morning means which day it is started?
This is the first day. Next Monday will be second day. On January, see, today is the first session. Second session will be on January 6th. That is nothing but Monday, day after tomorrow, like Monday. Third session, January 7th. So the sessions will be continuously taken. First 5 days, whoever wants to register morning batch, you please attend for evening slot. Why? What is the reason? Because first 1 week I'll be explaining Linux. Linux class is taken common for both morning as evening batch in this slot. Got it?
Huh. But why this timing is changed? It is 8 to 9:30. It's discussed to means your
In the
HR team.
no, that is actually 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. evening.
But they are saying to 8 to 9:30. Why this timing changing? Evening time.
Due to some meetings.
Okay. Then morning time is fixed hai na?
Fixed. Morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Could you please give us a basic introduction about the tools like Docker, Terraform,
Yeah, that's
and
what I'm
Kubernetes?
telling you, right? On January 6th, that is Monday, like today, how we discussed about AWS in detail,
Yeah.
what is cloud computing, all these things. On Jan 6th, we'll discuss about what is DevOps. It's like a
Yeah.
DevOps session that day. It's an introduction for DevOps on Monday.
Okay. You're gonna teach us DevOps and these tools, everything.
I'll
Right?
give you just an introduction. What is DevOps? Intro. Just like today's session for AWS, next session will be intro for DevOps.
Okay.
Okay. Fine then.